Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene. And today we're going to trash our kitchen. And we believe that when we trash our kitchen, we should do a really good job of it. So we're not only making tomato sauce, but we're also going to try and can some potatoes too.
No, you don't need it. You know.
I'll get behind you.
Today we're going to be processing the very end of the tomatoes from our garden. It's December 21st.
Yep.
It's the winter solstice. And we decided it's time to go ahead and finish off the tomatoes. So that's what we've been doing, and we'll take you along and let you see how it went. Well,
because if you're going to trash it, you might as well trash it all the way and then just clean it up. It's easier that way.
and there's a real reason why I wear this coat when I'm cooking.
Well, other than the fact that he's a magnet for any kind of food processing,
Any kind of tomato for
our
sure.
our tomato squishes all over. I've got a couple of squirts on me too. It just squirts all over the place, so it's just part of the deal.
So these are going to go in the washing machine here very shortly. I don't want it to dry.
It's fine. It comes out fine. Bleach is a wonderful thing.
But
Let's get going.
Stick around. We'll show you what's going on.
Yep. Henry's making a mess.
should be pouring up.
A tablespoon more. Looks like the Keystone cups today. On the dirty side.
Well, we hope you found this interesting, at least informative. It's something that we've been putting off for a while, but we finally had to go ahead and process those tomatoes, and the potatoes need to be done as well, so we combined both of them into one pressure canning run.
Right, the tomatoes have been in there since the end of the summer. As you know, you're busy at the end of the summer. I was still doing a lot of pickling and stuff, and instead of letting the tomatoes spoil, I simply threw them in there. To that I added some more tomatoes that we had on the counter ripening, that had been on trays and stuff like that. And gradually I was shifting those into the freezer too, but I'd totally run out of freezer space. And we like to have this small freezer here for use as a staging area. So I'll keep a certain amount of fresh frozen veggies and stuff in there so that we can use them easily without having to go into the deep freeze.
Canning these potatoes are really simple. I cut them up into 1/2-inch cubes. They were parboiled for 2 minutes in hot water. I used a large quantity of water so the temperature didn't drop down very much. Drained it. We put them into pint jars. Irene filled them up with hot water, put the lid on them, and they're in the canner.
Right, now we're just waiting for the canner to come up to pressure. Be sure when you do cube the potatoes that you throw them into cold water, and that will keep your potatoes from turning brown or gray or something icky. We do that even when we're making hash browns and stuff like that. We grate our potatoes directly into water, and that keeps them really nice. You rinse off that extra starch and makes a nice crispy potato.
Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, because she's going to be doing some more crazy stuff.
You think? No. I think we'll both be doing crazy stuff. He still has to cut wood and a bunch of other stuff this week, so.
We'll talk with you later.
Bye.